Loving you is what I want to do. In your presence, Lord, I want to be. Loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you. Yeah, it's not the same without you. I cannot live without you. 'Cause Lord, I wanna be where you are. And anytime I feel you're too far, I cannot live 1 second in that reality. So Lord, bring me as close to you as you can. Oh.